Sonam Raghuvanshi, along with her husband, went missing on the 23rd of May. And till today, the police and the search operation team, NDRF, SDRF, Meghalaya police and everyone involved in this search operation have not made any breakthrough. No more evidence after that raincoat, which is yet to be confirmed whether it belongs to the victim or not. Now we are here. We have travelled all the way from where the search operation, the search is being carried out there at Wai Sao Dong parking lot. We have travelled all the way here to the last village, that is Maulakhiat. This is the place where Raja Raghuvanshi and Sonam Raghuvanshi had travelled. Here is where the scooty was parked, at this very village, Maulakhiat. This behind me, you can see, it says there, Nongriat double-decker bridge. This is the trail that treks down to the famous double-decker bridge. It was down below at Nongriat where they were last seen alive, and it was in this trek itself, in this trail itself, where that audio where she was talking to her mother-in-law, telling that she's fasting and yet to break her fast, and that they're somewhere in the middle of the jungle, still in midway to reach to where they've parked the scooty. In this ground report today, in the interaction that I've had with the people who are running this place, I've also interacted to Bhawansai, listen in to what he has to say. Fila ban yuto ingi haka arpo artarik day.
Hoi, arpo artarik.
Hoi, kiwan Raja bat Sonam.
Hoi, kiwan tu.
To haka katnu baji ki apa yang ni?
Dia kan ni tip em apa kadang per wajan tu kajan nyemit em tu teba ngayon ngarum thì là miễn thế chỉ mà thế chúng tôi thì lại bây giờ là tăng em tu.
Long ki wan himaki ban kranifi ban ong lik bu yang ngi don kam tour guide ne kalau kumno fila ban
ni ngak li ong fi don kam lik bu ni kumno ke yong dan tu kam dong su bu tu je su de ong mu wan nọ ne kumno an thiện nọ chu rộng ta thì ong su lik bu nọ thi ten su lik bu nọ thiện nọ thi
kat nu kanta ne kat nu minute ka sim nang tu hadu sa thi sa nong riat
kat kom gil kom nya jung ki toris tentang dan nya tentang at kanta laganta kanta
kilong baparia ni kilong kumno
kisu ong me yang ibu ika thia amste ka komta hi ki ma ya thana bat tu de thana tin sinang kam thui komta
em bat fi ki ya thu khana
em thana ya itu ki ong ya lam isa jaga thia amste komta
te kumla sai pat ki khem ong manwan sau ne ka
kumla sai ngalak lima ka tu singa fa tarik tinggal akli yang manwan sau kumno ti ong ya mle ngalman hi komta
ba albat fila ban ya thu ingi haka katnu tarik fi Raja bat Sonam
tu arplay tarik ngai
fila ban ya thu he fi bat ka fi
ngai por steng ti por wan phai namar ki don lang mot ki we toris laingut ita senrang sudah tu Raja Raja
Raghuvanshi
ha itu ya don lang mot ki we ta tega tu kan thai pat ka nyadian
oh nadin
ha kayak sekia nadian
fi ba kalong suspicious kumto
tiap ngon ya kata ngam la ong hi namar itu ki keren da tin la jong ngam to ngam la dai ban batai namar ngam stu ware na dai keren english te ngala ban la ban batai ki kata por ban phai dung ngam keren shu ke nyaki namar ba ngasukan mau to por bela ha por arpo artarik ngala keren janmit ya ki ngong oh kini te ki wan phai beng na sakani ka ju mau ngong mar ngong ki bakla ngong oh ki ngadangan mau ke nyaki bang la keren por arpo artarik
kamut kita ki laingut ba Raja udang keren kilong paria bahane kilong no
ki ya parik lang pramaki lomta ki ya parik pramaki kan atu kan thai te kayak nadian kham ya keren air dang tu senrang ya keren lang ki
fi paji pat itlot ne ilong kumno ka
tip ilong kum chui namar wi ti long wan ki la ya la thaj gum ni gum tai ngam nang ke nyon matai kata ta namar bala wan ki la poi jan steng ti jan poi ta
kadai haka dang step deh nyo baji tu
por bang hiar nga nyo baji nang ne namar ki simpor ban hiar sti kumba po baji em tang kan du tare por ba hiar nang ni kum ta nyo tam em ta por ba ki wan phai ngi kan du por po baji po steng em tu por ba kan ki osina
okay Sakawe kay ba fikwa ang namar menta kibon bak la kan tho ba kinong sora ne kibriu na Meghalaya ki long kibriu ki barunar ne ki ba long ngoma te ban wan lik kai sa Meghalaya ne fisung no.
Ni pan susi mo ya kata de namar ba yela di ru ngim jumlin ya kata ngim julap re na ban suar ngim na du bandang khai me nang la tibriu tiblero am jusi yos nge ya kata ban long ngim tai ban je ngim tai long susi mo la jing kan tho de long ngi pat le ne không ta kan na mo pat le na ni susi kan la yos nge ya kata kristian ba yong ba ngi dei ki bas ni no sa ra da
Hakatus ni arpulai pat fiklami ipat manubawan shimia kaskuti.
Hakatus ni pan ngam yo ite ba bun to res me ru bun ni tang ya pai dukan ken sen tu te bade ru fose ru po kem yo bu i helmet ani pu yeng ibu opo skuti na kata daw kan yo i
sa kita ki laingot pat kidai manu long ki wanda ka e si TPH palata
ki laingot oh gitu te ki wanda ka bai
wanda ka bai fi ka number plate ka dei ML ne
ngam kan mau number plate ngi hanong kedong ngi along kumta ngim bu dei kata jing mu wasniu ngi su ai tu parking su ai ka slim te ngi su sim tu kan ju thon number plate nama menta ngi la le kata te
tourism menta ong kala hier na du bajia ka tu ne kalong kumno
oh kala hier sibun ma ba Labun social media mo makno snew yang ngi sene ma playa le ngi pan ngim tip ai mo ya tu bajing dia te kumno le jer tu ka skuti ka poe du te ha so rem le jiang ne ha we so dong pan mo ta da pen oh ya ka tu te ngi dan ha jing snau diao mo ngi long kinong so ka ba ko ngi la long no kum ki bas niu te le ngi lele habaw ngi wan tores ngi long kum sipara ngi long kum si yang sam ya ie ban hap usabi ne ban hap ka em to po madan ru ngi tam lem ngi pen bu lem kata ka daw ken ta pat sukun no yang ngi ong bade bas niu te
mensha ka shaddan ka jingjia kum bini
mensha pat judan
in our interaction or our ground report today a major crucial information that I've been able to get from one of the boys here who's also a guide. Remember that from what I've been able to gather around here is that they have almost 20 tour guides here. It's being run by the community, by the locals here, by the village Maulakhiat. Now, this boy had mentioned that it was at 7 a.m. when he was taking some tourists down this trek itself, taking them to Nongriat, that he saw Raja and Sonam coming up, but there were 3 more tourists who were there with Raja, while Sonam was ahead. Raja was with these 3 other tourists, and it was said that they were interacting in Hindi. The conversation was in Hindi, and that they were very friendly. This is what we've been able to gather from this ground report. We've also asked him, how is it that you know them, or how are you familiar with their faces? He did mention that it was on the 22nd when they reached here somewhere around 3 o'clock, that he had asked them, do you need a tour guide tomorrow? Do you need a guide? Both the couple. However, Sonam was the one who spoke more because she could converse to the locals here in English, but Raja couldn't speak in English. So they asked, and Sonam mentioned that now I know the route, so we don't need a guide. It was only one way that they had taken a guide from here, who was Bhawansai. Bhawansai also mentioned that he dropped them, they stayed at Shipara homestay, and he returned. But they decided to stay there the night. So these are information that we're bringing to you. Also, the route to this place is very much secluded. This village here, it's almost around 17 houses that are part of this village here. However, what we can understand from here is that what lacks is there's no CCTV footage, there's no proper parking system. The people who run the parking here don't keep a receipt. They do give a receipt, but with no the numbers of the vehicle. They don't keep a track. A record is not being maintained, which is very much necessary. And what we have learned is that from today they've started, in fact, these past few days, they've started maintaining the records. of whoever are visiting and parking their vehicles here. Because one thing that you have to understand is vehicles that are being parked here are parked overnight. Hence, they don't want to take the risk of keeping the car keys or, taking it their responsibility. They don't want to do that. So, in this very incident, it has opened their eyes to ensure that they be a bit strict. Hence, now going forward, they've decided that further on, they're going to maintain records of anyone coming to this village. It remains a mystery what happened with Sonam and Raja Raghuvanshi. Have police interrogated the three? Who were these other three tourists? All these details are yet to be known to us. These are the information that we bring to you today. This is Princess Rashir for EastMojo.com.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.